Hi everyone, so this video was requested by many of my subscribers. So let's begin with the important quotes of Tempest. Now before starting with this, I just want to clear out that quotes and difficult words are different. See, you have to put these quotes inside inverted commas. Don't misquote. Let me just give you an example. If I write, Ariel is a magnificent timid creature. Here, magnificent, it is nowhere in the book. So you can't include these inverted commas here. Inverted commas means that it is a quote. So just write it normally. You don't have to put anything. You don't have to highlight it or make it special because it is not a quote. Right? I think it's clear to everyone. And it's definitely important to include these quotes in the 15 marks long answer. Since the examiner wants to know how you characterize the characters of the play, what relevant details you want to put in the answer. So let's begin with these quotes. You can take up your textbook and start marking it. We run ourselves aground. Hey, my hearts, cheerly, cheerly. Year, year, topsail. Master's whistle. Have care, play the men. Keep below. You mar our labor. Assist the storm. Nay, could be patient. What cares these roarers for the name of king? None than I more love than myself. Counselor, make yourself ready, that is, prepare yourself mentally. Mischance of the hour. Great comfort from this fellow, methinks he hath no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. Stand fast, make the rope of his destiny our cable. Miserable. A plague upon this howling. They are louder than the weather or our office. Bowling, blasphemous, incharitable dog. Insolent noisemaker. What? Must our mouths be cold? I am out of patience. Cheated of our lives. Whitechapel rascal. The washing of 10 tides. And gape at wits to glut him. Brown furs, dry death. Coming to Act 1, Scene 2. Wild waters, stinking pitch, brave vessel, noble creature, dashed all to pieces, poor souls, God of power, frothing souls, be collected, piteous heart, ignorant, master of a full poor cell, that is a cottage, a dwelling, magic garment, direful spectacle of the wreck, virtue of compassion, perdition as an here, bootless inquisition, ope thine ear, remembrance, rather like a dream than an assurance, dark backward and abysm of time, peace of virtue, and princes no worse issued. What what foul play had we that we came from thence, or blessed was it we did? Both, Michael. To think, oh, the teen that I've turned you to is from my remembrance. Perfidious, signary, liberal arts, parallel. The government I cast upon my brother, and to my state grew stranger being transported and wrapped in secret studies. Perfected how to grant suits, trash for overtopping, new created, new formed, neglecting worldly ends, all dedicated to closeness, bettering of my mind, a falsehood, sans bound, made such a sinner of his memory, absolute Milan, dukedom large enough of temporal royalties, dukedom large enough, confederates, dry he was for sway, annual tribute, ignoble, stooping, inveterate, presently extirpate me, a treacherous army levied, fated to the purpose, dead of darkness, present business, impertinent, a mark so bloody on the business, with colours fairer painted their foul ends, some leagues, infused with a fortitude from heaven, decked full salt, my burden, undergoing stomach, providence divine, noble Neapolitan, charity, master of this design, rich garments, linen stuffs and necessaries, volumes I prize above my dukedom, sea sorrow, by accident most strange bountiful, prescience, I find my zenith doth depend upon a most auspicious star, to dive into the fire, curled clouds, I flamed amazement, topmast, yards and bowsprit distinctly, Jove's lightning, precursors, oh the dreadful thunderclaps, fire and cracks, sulphurous roaring the most mighty Neptune, foaming brine, with hair upstaring then like reeds not here, nigh shore, not a hair perished, sustaining garments, blemish, bowed the isle, that is the island, cooling of the air with sighs, odd angle of the isle, still vexed Bermudes, that is Bermuda, all under hatches stowed, suffer labor, Mediterranean float, great person perish, no mistakings, grudge or grumblings, tread the ooze, salt deep, upon the sharp wind of the north, the veins of the earth baked with frost, malignant thing, age and envy, grown into a hoop, mischiefs manifold to enter human hearing, banished, the blue eyed hag, a spirit too delicate to act her earthy and abhorred commands, grand hests, potent ministers, unmitigable rage, cloven pine, rift, thy groans penetrate the breasts of ever angry bears. It was a torment, damned, correspondent to command, spiriting gently, a nymph, fine apparition, quaint, poisonous slave, as wicked dew, brushed with raven's feather from unwholesome, a southwest blister, shalt have cramps, side stitches that shall pen thy breath up, as thick as honeycomb. Thou strokest me, water with berries in it, to name the bigger light, all the qualities of the isle, the fresh springs, brine pits, barren place and fertile, toads, beetles, bats light on you, abhorred slave, deservedly confined, hagseed, that means son of an ugly witch. My dame's god, Setebos, vessel of him. Full fathom five thy father lies, of his bones are coral made. Ditty, mortal business, fringed curtains, brave form, gallant, with grief that's beauty's canker, thou mightest, a goodly person. Good instruction, I am the best of them that speak this speech. Swift business, I must uneasy make lest too light winning make the prize light. Nothing ill can dwell in such a temple. Manacle thy neck and feet together, the fresh brook muscles, withered roots and husks, my foot my tutor. Chide, advocate for an impostor, hush. Goodlier man, nerves are in their infancy again, no vigor in them. So it's all done.